Ever dreamed of digital gold? Imagined a world of decentralized finance, free from traditional banking limitations? That's the realm of cryptocurrency, a revolutionary new asset class taking the world by storm. But where do you buy, sell, and trade these digital currencies? Enter the Kraken, a name synonymous with power and control of the seas in mythology, and in the world of crypto, a secure and established exchange platform. But hold on a second, is Kraken just for crypto? That's the question we're diving deep into today. So, buckle up, crypto enthusiasts and curious newcomers alike, because we're about to unravel the mysteries of the Kraken and its offerings. Let's face it, the world of crypto can be intimidating. Countless exchanges exist, each with its own features, fees, and security protocols. Picking the right one feels like navigating a stormy sea. You need a vessel you can trust, one that will weather the market fluctuations and keep your digital treasures safe. Now, Kraken boasts a long and respected history in the crypto space. Founded in 2011, it's one of the oldest and most reliable exchanges around. Security is their middle name, with industry-leading practices like GDAX, Global Digital Asset Exchange, integration, robust two-factor authentication, and even offline storage for a significant portion of user funds. But back to our original question, is Kraken just for crypto? The answer, thankfully, is no. While cryptocurrency trading is undoubtedly their core business, Kraken offers a surprising array of additional features. Firstly, Kraken allows you to trade margin. Margin trading essentially lets you borrow funds from the exchange to amplify your potential returns. It's a high-risk, high-reward strategy best suited for experienced traders, but Kraken provides the tools and resources to navigate it responsibly. Secondly, Kraken boasts a robust staking service. Staking, for the uninitiated, involves locking up your crypto holdings for a set period to support a particular blockchain network and earn rewards in the process. It's a fantastic way to generate passive income on your crypto assets, and Kraken offers staking for a wide range of popular coins. Thirdly, Kraken caters to institutional investors with their OTC, over-the-counter, trading desk. This service allows large trades to happen outside the regular market order book, minimizing price impact and ensuring greater discretion. It's a valuable service for hedge funds, investment firms, and other high-volume players in the crypto space. Finally, Kraken is constantly innovating. They've recently launched their own native token, the Kraken Token, XBT, which offers users fee discounts and other platform benefits. They're also exploring new avenues like decentralized finance, DeFi, integration, keeping themselves at the forefront of the ever-evolving crypto landscape. So, there you have it. Kraken is more than just a crypto exchange, it's a comprehensive platform catering to a diverse range of users. Whether you're a seasoned crypto trader, a curious newcomer dipping your toes into the digital asset pool, or even a high-volume institutional investor, Kraken has something to offer. Of course, with any financial platform, due diligence is key. Research Kraken's fee structure, understand the risks involved in margin trading and staking, and explore their resources for beginner and advanced traders alike. Remember, the crypto market is a dynamic one, and Kraken is constantly evolving to meet the needs of its users. So, keep an eye out for new features and services, and don't hesitate to leverage Kraken's vast resources to navigate the exciting world of cryptocurrency. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy trading.